25 and a half, maybe 26 as they call it. But she is brand spanking new at 25 years of age. Actually, it's a 2025. So, look how easy this is. Squeeze this, right? And we're gonna pull forward. Is it easy with one hand? Hell no. Can you do it with one hand? I don't think so. Let's get two. Push in, pull out. And there you go. I'll try to get the link in the description. You won't need it now, but you will eventually do it. So, see how it locks into place? Done. Good. Now, off to the next one. And we have 20. Same thing. We're gonna push in. This side you can bet you can do. Alright, so if you come on this side, you can do it. Push in and pull out at the same time. Done. You can do it with one hand. See that? Now, do not let this go and smash the windshield. If so, you bought a new windshield. There you go. You got new wipers. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.